To start off this craft, you're going to need a stir stick and Scrabble tiles, and I'm going to be spelling the word Mary. Now you can use whatever word you'd like. Now if you don't have Scrabble or any Scrabble tiles, where can you find one? Thrift stores, yard sales, flea markets, eBay, or antique malls is where we have found all of our Scrabble tiles for our crafts. And keep this in mind. Each game you buy can have different styles of tiles, so they don't always match, as you can see here with these Ys. Some are lighter, some are darker, some you can see the wood grain a lot better, so find letters that do match the other tiles of your word. Stir sticks do come with this curve in the neck, but that is actually going to come in handy later because we are going to be putting a little bow there for decoration. And depending on the location, some areas sell stir sticks and other areas they give them to you for free. Just go to the paint section of the local hardware store or even places like Lowe's or Menards or Walmart, and some areas will give them to you for free, others you'll have to purchase them. Once you have your word figured out, just measure the stir stick, and it's just a tiny bit longer than the word. You don't want a bunch hanging down below, and you will have to cut it. Now, I fortunately have access to different power tools, so after cutting it, I did also drill 2 holes in the top for the hanger. And for this one, I am going to be painting it Santa Red. Some other colors that I have used are Holly Green, Santa Red, Deep Burgundy, and Midnight Blue. Those are my go-to colors for this craft. And this is my second time using Scrabble tiles. As you can see from this video, I do have a second Scrabble tile craft. If you're interested, go check out that video as well. After painting the entire thing front and back and all the sides, it is time to work on the hanger. Now, I'm usually a jute girl. I love using string, but for this one, I'm going to be doing a wire hanger, and I just have to poke it through the hole and use my pliers to twist it into a little tiny circle. Now, this can scratch up the wood a little bit, so you do have to maybe go back and touch up the paint, but it's not too bad. It's really simple to fix. After twisting the one side, you just figure out the length for the other, and you just repeat this step, and it gives a nice sturdy hanger for your Christmas tree. These tiles are going to be hot glued into place, and some other words in case you're interested in doing this craft are Jesus, joy, jolly, jingle, Christ, snow, snowman, Mary, Santa, Rudolph, reindeer, elves, and holly. All of these words we have done before for this craft, and I'm sure there's some others, but there's just a big list, and of course brainstorm your own. You can also put a personal name on there if you're making it for somebody in your family. And we have sold many of these throughout the years. The 2 most popular would be Jesus and Christ, but keep this in mind, every Scrabble tile only has 1 J letter, so if you want to do any words with J, you have to buy multiple Scrabble games. Now I'm just attaching what I call like a fake bow. It's not going to be one that's actually literally tied around the neck. I'm just going to make it look like it is by gluing a little strip around the back side. And this material that I'm using can fray a little bit, so you want to make sure you trim up the edges. I like using a wired ribbon for this. It just helps keep the shape. And on the back, I do bend over just a tiny bit to make it look nice and neat and crisp. After finishing the back, I just flip it over and hot glue a bow to the front. And the last finishing step is just to pick out a cute little button for the very top of the stir stick. Now I use buttons, but you can use whatever little cute decoration you have. I've got Santas, I've got little toy soldiers and nutcrackers, reindeer, all kinds of different little decorations and cute things. But for this one, I decided because the word was merry, the best thing was the Christmas tree. I just thought it matched and looked really good together. Now this one was a little bit big, but I still think it looked fine. And all I do is hot glue it to that little empty space up at the very top of the stir stick. And here is the finished ornament. I'm going to show you some other finished examples here in just a second. I have some left over from my very last craft show, and I wanted to give you an idea of what other types I do. And for these, I actually only had red left over. I didn't realize that, or maybe I would have made a blue or a green stir stick, but that's okay because you can see that they all look really nice together. They all ended up having a green bow as well. And you can see the tiny little baby Scrabble tiles like on the Rudolph and the Santa. Those are super cute. Sometimes, I think those are more rare, but you can find little ones as well. Also, another little fact, you might want to avoid using super long words like Christmas because it just makes the ornament super, super long. But here they all are together, and we sell these for $4 at our craft show. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.